I'm going to do my best to show you how to go back and reverse potentially a mistake and according to the EOB and rebill. So we're going to use this check number as a reference or the total amount as a reference because I've had to redact patient information. So if we go to Apply and View the EOB, and when you hit this, you're going to get a pop-up, and this is what pops up with redacted information. So the B states the procedure modifier combination is not compatible with another procedure. So we need to go investigate that. Person posting actually wrote off the 260. So we need to go adjust the 260 and put it back on and then resubmit the corrected claim. So let's go investigate where that went. So 260 is the amount, the patient name, the data service. So let me go find the information. So here's the visit, and it's already come off. The EOB we know, so we have to go to applied payments, and we're looking for that 260. We could look it up by patient. These are 260. So we're going to click this, go up here and delete the applied adjustment in this case. Okay. And then we can go back to the visit and correct the visit. So you're going to have to go into the visit and correct it in claims and billing. So let me show you what that looks like. Stand by. Do you know how to get back to the visit? This tab, so you have to click on the visit. Here's the visit, and then you're going to go to billing info. Okay, when you click on billing info, click on billing info, this is what I'm going to get. Okay. So rather than do that, I'm just going to pretend, click on billing info, and boop, up this pops. So here should have been a 2.5 modifier, and see where the adjusted amount. I've already taken the adjustment off, right? But we need to add the 2.5 modifier. Scroll down to the bottom and click update. I'm going to move this over here. PHI corrected. Okay, so here, add the 2.5 modifier, click update at the bottom, top. So claims and billing, find your claim, click delete the claim that's been submitted, and then resubmit. Or you can go in and turn off your duplicates.